Hello everybody. So last weekend we went to Monterey, California. Monterey is nearly 150 miles south of San Francisco and about 300 miles give or take north of Los Angeles. It is called Monterey. Some people pronounce it Monterey. And this place is flourished with wildlife. So we went there for just one weekend and check out how much wildlife we captured on film. This is called California scrub jay. Just like the blue jay, this one is gray and blue, mixed color. And I noticed there are so many of these California scrub jays in this area. Again, this is Monterey. And we are just about a mile, not even that, from the ocean, from Pacific Ocean that is, and we have all kinds of California scrub jays. Now if you notice, there you go, just one sat on a wire, and there are so many, abundance of these scrub jays everywhere you look. It's not like, just as if they're like normal finches or sparrows. These scrub jays are everywhere in Monterey, California. Now if you notice, that's another one right there on the electrical power line. That's another scrub jay right there. So we have so many scrub jays in Monterey, California. And I also noticed that some of these scrub jays are being attracted to the bird feeders of the residential areas. And one house right next to from the house that I'm shooting this video from had all kinds of colorful feeders and bird toys and all kinds of bird bath, waterfall, and you name it. And there was abundance of California scrub jays coming to his balcony and enjoying all those benefits. What kind of bird is this?
A blue jay.
And which areas of United States they reside in?
Typically it's in the North Americas, typically on the west coast as we are right now. They like to eat insects and other critters around. Their only predators probably hawks, but there's not really many by the bay, so most likely ospreys. Many ospreys, yeah.
Oh wow. Amazing. So we are in Monterey, California. Some people call it Monterey. It's Monterey, California, and there's all kinds of wildlife here, all kinds of blue jays. I mean, look at that cat. Look at that. That's some real.
That's so cute. Can I go pet it?
No, you can't. That's not. I think that's someone's cat. That's not a stray cat. Scrub jays usually nest in tree branches, and they usually feed off of insects and other small creatures. This is a private residential bird bath and bird feeder where this has come, and it has been coming every day, at least for the 3 days we were there. These are some special beautiful pink flowers that I noticed abundance of these in Monterey, California. There were so many of these flowers that I had no choice but to film them and bring them to you. They are so beautiful. They usually are all around the exterior perimeter of homes. This place is called Cannery Row. Now, this is not canary, the bird, but it is Cannery Row, where they create canned fish and other canned product. Basically, Monterey Canning Corporation.
Your time picking up off of that didn't know my
Oh yeah?
Hey, I gotta work on it. I'm working on it.
These are tourist attractions, beautiful gift shops and outlets where you could buy souvenirs and all kinds of other restaurants, food products, drinks, beverages, bars, and recreational areas. This is the outlook where people stand to check out passing gray whales as they swim close to the coastal line in order to find sea otters and sea lions to feast off of. And right here we waited not very long, maybe 5 minutes if that, and we already were able to see 2 gray whales. The beautiful mountains and hills that you see on the other side of the water is Seaside, which is on the other side of Monterey, and beyond that is Santa Cruz. All these places are so beautiful that only personal visit could do justice. Words cannot describe how beautiful this place is. Not just beautiful, flourished with beautiful wildlife, beautiful nature, and beautiful plants.
There it is. See it?
Yeah.
Just look to the left.
Oh yeah.
I don't see it yet.
What?
You talking about sea otters?
No, right there, whale. Right there.
Oh.
You see it? The splash?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me zoom in. Yeah, yeah. I see it. I see it. I see the splash.
Yeah, in that area. That. See that?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's a
Absolutely.
whale.
Absolutely.
That's more than one whale.
I
That's
know.
2 at least. Right?
I know. Absolutely. Yeah, yeah. I wasn't there for more than 5 minutes, and we already spotted 2 large gray whales. Now, I'm not sure if these are gray whales or orcas, which is killer whale, but still, it's something amazing to watch in person. This was the first time in my life that I've seen whales in nature. And I've been trying to spot them here down in San Diego. I went to the Cabrillo National Monument up on the hill, and they have a whale watching outpost there with glass all around it, but I was never able to spot one. Here I waited no more than 5 minutes, and I noticed 2 gray whales. If you want to see whales, travel to Monterey, California. Yeah.
Looks like they may be going out. Before I saw them a little bit farther this way, and then now they were over there.
So they're going
So
back to the,
maybe
yeah.
they're going back out.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey, there's not enough food here. Let's go back out.
You can also rent all kinds of motorboats, jet skis, paddling boats, and canoes to enjoy whale watching. This is a candy factory.
Mira, aquí es aquí John, aquí es una, no sé cómo te digo, pero es history. I'm how do you say clam chowder?
No, they're whale watching. There's a whale watching tour.
Let's go.
Yeah, we should. There's a beautiful pier on which they have nice restaurants. Now, one thing I have to admit, prices are kind of high. They're like a little overpriced, the gift shops are overpriced, restaurants, all of them are overpriced. So keep that in mind, that it's a little pricey vacation, to put it nicely. What is it?
It's called the hermit crab. It's like a crab with a shell. They crab you off the bench like in a crab boat. Because it's so made. Nin crab? Do you see
No.
it? Do you see it?
No, I don't see any crab.
Yeah, did it?
Oh, there.
It's a crab.
Fish up here.
Where?
Right here.
I don't see it.
It's right here.
Oh, this is small.
In addition to the beautiful sandy beaches, Monterey, California also has a rocky coastal area, which provides a great opportunity to do rock climbing and adventurous wildlife discovery, such as small creatures, insects, butterflies, snails, crabs, and more. Seagulls usually nest in remote areas, so this is very unusual for a seagull to create a nest accessible for human beings to come. Now, I didn't go too close to scare it off or make it fly away, but I was able to capture this magnificent scene with a powerful zoom in my camera. This nest is on the western edge of the coastal area. As you can see, it's a pretty safe area. The egg's not going to roll down. It has sufficient amount of area for it to create the nest. This is a very fancy Mexican food restaurant, which is only a few feet away from the ocean, and not to mention very next to the seagull nest. These canoes that you see or rental canoes that you can rent and come closer to watch the whales and other wildlife. This coastal area is really busy. It's a great tourist attraction with great souvenir shops, restaurants, and all kinds of attractions, not to mention a famous ice cream shop that had a large line of nearly 100 people standing. As you can see, this is a abandoned building base, or maybe a pier base, which has been occupied by birds, some kind of a black seabird, and it's only a few yards away from the seagull nest. Now I'm going to walk around and show you the seagull nest from the other angle.
See if I can find a brittle fish. Brittle star.
I don't think those are more like tropical sea animals. Now this is something completely alien, which I have no idea what it is.
Got you. Did I scare you?
Uh-uh.
Can I still in front of?
Oh, look at the color from that.
What?
It is a very common scene to see deers in people's driveways or around the neighborhood streets, which makes this beautiful city even more beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more of the beautiful nature, wildlife, and important topics.